Hello guys, hope you are good. Hope everyone is good. This is another day, another section. We are continuing where we left the day before, yesterday, on Tuesday. Was it on Tuesday? Yes, because yesterday was on a Wednesday. I didn't upload any video. I didn't attend any class, but I am here today. Hope everyone is good. Let me just introduce myself for those who are watching my videos for the first time. I'm JIAN, and this is my YouTube channel where I usually teach people, not even just usually. For me, let me just say, I just recommend, like, don't take it like a what? Don't take me like a very. No, let me just don't say it, because even those words for saying it, I don't have those words. So therefore, I could just advise you. For me, I'm just doing my best, trying to teach you what I know about Forex. So therefore, if you understand, well and good, that is my happiness. If you don't understand, it's okay. We'll continue and try our best where we left. I'll try our best, or I'm trying my best to teach you what I know. I teach you the things that I know about Forex, the things that I usually use in Forex trading, that usually makes me a profitable trader, even if it's not a big profit. At least when I get into the market, enter the market, I usually have some 2 or 3 wins, and around how many, I won't lie to you. If it's for losing the trades or losses, I usually lose. I'm not that perfect. Nobody is perfect. Everybody usually lose. Even those people who usually see that they usually flip their big account flexing money, they usually lose. The market doesn't consider who should win or who should lose. The only things that the market is considered or usually looks, it's like, how can I say it? You just know that if you know how to trade, if you just take your time, learn how to trade, learn the skills, the full packed skills on how to trade, will be good to go, because only the skills can help you to become a profitable trader. Yeah. Yesterday, on Tuesday, we learned about the short position and long position, and we went on our trading view. We just analyzed the market using the short position, and it hit the way we wanted. Then still the long position, even if I didn't just upload the video, but I will upload very soon the video using the long position. Yes, and I hope everyone, since the day we started this introduction to Forex trading over here, when we started over here, I hope everyone understood what is Forex, what Forex means, what is Forex trading means, what is a currency, types of currency, terms and terminologies, what is a bullish market, and what is a bearish market, when you are using short position, when you are going to use the wrong position. I hope everyone is okay with that. And today is on today for 16, 17, around 18th, if I'm not wrong. Yes, 18th of June. 18th of what? 18th of June 2026, right? Okay. We just light another one. Today we are going just to learn. I want to to capture up for what we were supposed to learn on Wednesday until today. So therefore today we are going to capture up about what? The terms and terminologies. This whole week we said that we are going to learn about terms and terminologies. So therefore today we are going to learn about bids and ask, bid stroke ask, and then spreads, what spreads, fees swap, or swap fees, leverage, along there over there still. If and I'm still going today, the same day, I'm going just to tell you, or we are going to capture up about what? Time frame, candlesticks, risk management, profit, take profit, and stop loss. I want to like finish these terms and terminologies today. They allowed how many? Allowed having like how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Around 13, if I'm not wrong. 12 to 13. Or 10, let me just say overall it's 10. The terms that we are going to define today. So therefore, I need your time, I need your patience, I need your concentration over here. So therefore, we could just understand each other and take each other well. So therefore, today we are going let me just start the class. Today we are going to just look for these two cards. And this we are going to say that and that's it, nothing much, nothing more. So therefore let me just explain it so much deeper. Bids or ask, and I have said that this is the money that you are willing to ask or willing to risk in the market. Okay, when you are just in around by the end of this month, you are going to be entering the market, a live session during the day or during the night, a live section. We are going to find ourselves when we usually used when let me just explain it in a simple term so that everybody can understand, because not everybody can understand these terms and terminologies when we are going to use it in Kiswahili or in English. Bids or ask in ile pesa ukiingia kwa market, tuchukue example kama na short position na long position. On a long position, short position, because the video is on the YouTube. Short position, tukile masa tulienda tukaanalyze the market, tukasema ile part ya red, kuna red part ya red na kuna green part, na tukasema hii red part ni ile part ile hii ni ile pesa tuko willing kuruzi, tuko willing kuruzi hiyo pesa, na hii part ya green ni ile sa profit ile tuko, si ndio? So therefore bids or ask, hiyo ndio inaongelea kuhusu hiyo part ya red. Hii part ya red ndio tutasema ni ask ama bid. Sasa in my own terms, so therefore that hiyo part ya red, I don't know if I have that. Let me just open my trading view so that you can see what I'm explaining to you. If you go just back to your trading view, what section were we? Can anybody just assist me to remind me what section were we using? Na vile tu nilikuwa nimewambia guys, if you want to analyze your market very well with all the tools combined in one place, always use what? Always use trading view, because trading view iko na all tools, all indicators. If you are a person who usually use indicators, all the indicators are there. If you are a person who usually use tools and Fibonacci to analyze your market, trading view got you. Okay, here's it, the market. Just squeeze it, squeeze it. Look at here, guys. Even if the market, with the way we predicted it that it will rise up to here, the market haven't just yet predicted up to there, but believe me, the market, it will go there. Okay, here is it, where we were predicting the market. When we predicted the market, and the market went well and well and well and well over here. Now, when I say like bid and ask, this red part over here, allow me just, where is the arrow? Let me just pick the arrow there. I'm saying this red part over here, from here, the red part from here up to here, this red part over here, this is whereby you are going to be, you are calling the bid or the ask, the money that you are going to lose, or you are willing to lose or to risk when you are trading. Let me just take a simple example, another example. Delete this one, take another one. Okay, if you look at over here, the market came from down here, it rises here, and rises. When it arrived over here, we predicted that the market will come over here, bounce from this week, and then go back. Now, we placed our trade over here, right? We placed our trade over here, and he said that, and we were like willingly to lose this money to get this amount of money, right? So therefore, hiyo bid or ask, sasa hii pesa hii kutoka hii led part over here, hiyo ndio ile pesa tuko willing ku lose, na ndio maana imesemaje, bid or ask, this is the money you are willing to lose or willing to risk in the market. Sasa hii red part, kama market ilingeenda the opposite way, haingeteremka na huku iseme ifike hapa, iteremke ifike hapa, tena ipande iende. Sasa niende hata ni wachole vile nasema. In market sikuja mpaka hapa, tena ishuke mpaka hapa. Let's say along the over there, tena ikuje ipande mpaka ifike hapo. Right? Sasa hiyo market ndio tuko willing to lose. Tuko hiyo pesa iko hapa, kwa hiyo nini? Hii pesa tuliekelea hapa. Tungekelea kwa hii trades hizi zote, hii part hii red card, hii part red, ndio tuko willing ku lose hii mali. Tuko willing to risk hiyo pesa. Sasa hiyo pesa tungeachilia tu iende if the market inge decide kuenda the opposite way. Sasa hiyo the bid. That's what we meaning by the what? By the term bid. Let's go back to the chart, to our chart, and see and continue writing the notes. And guys, as I usually tells you, if you don't understand anything, just inbox me, DM me, ask any question that you need. And if you didn't understand, like you had you were like the video was too fast now during the class, you can just go there back on the YouTube channel JIAN FX and preview the video, watch it again and again and again, do some practices, and believe me, by the end of this section, like let's say like 2-3 months to come, will be a good trader, a profitable trader. Sasa I don't know why my charts, like my notes, it's like taking so long. Let's wait and see. I don't know why, but it's okay. Let us just wait. Let's just wait and see if it will be open. Okay, it has open. Let's go untitled. Now that is the bid and the ask, the way that you said it. Let's continue. The next topic, or the next subtopic we are going to be talking about, we are going to talk about what? We're going to talk about spreads. You're going to talk about spreads. The spreads or the spreadsheets. So there are some spreadsheets and even there are some spreads. So therefore, let me just analyze it or just like explain it. And there's somebody, I found somebody in my DM, and he asked me some questions, and he was like, I was just like, what am I going to answer him? Can you imagine somebody is just coming to my DM and asking me, you are saying that Forex trading is usually profitable, right? And I told him, yes, it's profitable. And he was like, kama unasema Forex trading inalipa, why are you just like creating some videos and posting it on YouTube and Telegram, TikTok, so that you can get more viewers and you can be starting being paid like a content creator? Why can you just focus on trading on its own? And I was like, okay, it's not a bad thing, by the way. It's not a bad thing though. And I saw for a minute, nikafikiria, nikaona akona idea, hawezi kosa kuona akona some thoughts, akona some good idea though. Kaona inaweza kuwa ukweli, kama trading inalipa, mbona nashinda nikitengeneza some videos, nishinda nikipost kwa YouTube ama kwa YouTube, TikTok, Telegram, all those my social media platforms, so that I can get some more viewers. Okay, and I remembered the reason why I started like creating some videos while recording myself teaching. Nakumbuka kuna like mwalimu, acha tuseme like a teacher of what, a plumber. Mwalimu wa plumbing, yeye anajua maneno ya site, anajua everything concerning building and construction. Sasa but hayuko kwake akitengeneza nyumba yake. Hata nyumba yake si yeye anatengeneza, ndio au la? Anatokanga anaenda, anaita fundi mwingine akuja pale amtengenezee. Lakini yeye ako na hiyo knowledge, anatokanga hapo anaenda shule kufanya nini? Kufunza. Why? Because there's a good feeling, ama kuna kwanga na ile feeling mtu hukuwa nayo, like the time you are teaching, ama the time you are wakati unafunza, kuna ile feeling wewe inakwanga ndani yako, like you are just knowing, like you're just feeling the good things, right? I feel like, okay, I'm doing a good thing though, even if people are just like criticizing me, like people are trying to criticize me, and like I'm saying that I'm just overshowing, I'm just like bragging off. You're feeling, you're like in a class of 50 people, 10 of them, hata tusikue namba kubwa, just 10 people wameshika kenye nimewafunza, na hiyo kenye nimewafunza itawasaidia baadaye. Hiyo ndio the reason why most traders out here, they usually have a live section and they usually offer free trading classes. Not all of them. I don't know why other people usually don't offer the free classes, but for me, I usually offer free classes. But if it's a physical class, you want me to mentor you, you want me just to trade with you physically, you're going to pay because that's my time. You want me just to come with you and just sit down, that you're going to pay. To cut the long story short, so therefore unapata mimi kufunza si ati nafunza ati ndio nipata watu ama nipate viewers ama nianze kulipwa na TikTok ama nianze kulipwa na YouTube. Nope. I don't have that aim. Sina hiyo aim ati nianze kulipwa. Hata niko mbali sana kuanza kulipwa na YouTube ama kulipwa na nini, na TikTok. Niko very very far. So usione ati nikianza kufunza hapa hivi ati nianze ndio ati natafuta pesa, hapana. Nafunza because I know my videos, out of 20 people who are watching, 2 of them have learned something and they have gone back there in the market and tried to do the same thing that I have taught them, and they have seen that it's working and they have become enlightened and they have become educated using my videos. So mimi nafunza ndio at least kila mtu apate hiyo skill. Ndio tena hata nikikosa kufunza na nimekosa kufunza najikana hiyo knowledge na kana mimi peke yangu. Ile pesa ungepata kwa Forex sitaipata. Ile pesa wewe ungepata sio mimi nitaambia market itaniambia because umekataa kuwafunza ama because ufunzi watu wengine utapata hiyo pesa yote. Pesa ni yako, wewe ukiingia na pesa yako, ukifunzwa ni kufunza vile nimekufunza, uingie na hiyo knowledge. Ile pesa utapata it's okay, ni yako. Ile pesa mimi nitapata it's okay, ni yangu. Ukilose nimelose, ukiwin nimewin, like it's a win-win. Sawa? So therefore, and still the time that I'm coming here teaching you, I myself am doing some revision. I'm repeating the same thing that I learned like months ago, even some years back, because I tried. So listen for that. I started trading. I started learning Forex in the year 2024. 2024 because I entered 2024 college. I entered in 2024 September on 30th. Yes, I can remember 2024 September date 30. So therefore, when I entered, I started learning Forex trading in July. The same year 2024 I started learning Forex July, but sikupata mtu wa kunifunza. Hiyo time kila mtu ulikuwa unataka kufunzwa, okay, nilipe hii pesa ndio nikufunze. Unataka nikufunze, okay, nilipe hii pesa ndio nikufunze. I struggled. So therefore I know vile mtu feel akiambiwa sijui alipe hiyo pesa na unajua like hauna hiyo pesa, ndio maana unataka kulearn Forex ndio at least uweze kupata hiyo skill, utafute capital yako ndio uweze kuenda kwa market ndio uweze ku-earn. Sasa so therefore I know how people feel, na still mimi nikijifunza kufunza, nafanya some revision. Iko vitu nilikuwa hata nimesahau kwa market, sasa hizi ndio nimeanza kuzikumbuka saa hii. Sasa let's continue. By the way, it was just a recap. Let's continue. Where were we? We were on what? On spreads, and we have said that spreads. Oh, the bids and ask. So therefore, I'm going just to explain the spread, swap fee, and the leverage. Okay. And that is it. Okay, let's start with the what, with the spreads. Spreads tutasema spreads ni nini? Spreads tutasema it is the difference between the buying price and the selling price from your broker. The easiest part. Hii ndio ile part ile rahisi sana. So therefore, allow me, I will just explain all of them, the three parts, then go back to the trading view and show you in a practical way. The spreads ni ile pesa inakuanga ukiingia kwa market. Hii ni ile spreads. Hii ni ile tutasema kama tuchukue example na kama nini? Na kama gari. Gari. A vehicle, it's a good example from spreads. Ukitoka hapa, uende tu just kwa gari, uende just kwa sellers, right? Useme unataka a German machine. Utanunua around 1.2 ama 2. Inalingana na German machine gani unataka. Let's say uchukue 2.5 million, si ndio? Uchukue hiyo gari ama the down payment wapatie 2.5 million, si ndio? Now, the time umechukua hiyo gari, umegurumisha. Si ni mpya? Logbook ni safi, kila kitu ni safi, si ndio? Umegurumisha, umetoka. Hata hujaenda mbali. Just take, umerudi tu nyuma, umefika kwa gate ya hiyo gari, kwa the factory ama the company ile inauza hizo gari. Ukifika hapo unasema it doesn't impress me, iko hainifurahishi hii gari. Useme ni kurudisha pale kwa market. Do you know hiyo gari hautauza the same thing ile the price ile ulinunua itakuwa imeshuka, si ndio? The same thing pia kwa market. Ukiingia kwa market useme umenunua gold, the price ya gold paliko ya kununua gold paliko, the price yake na the price ya ile gold unaweza uza haikuangi the same, inakuanga imeachana with the retro bit digits. Unaweza pata imetoka 3.556, sawa, the buying price. Tena ukienda the selling price utapata ni 3.557. So unaona there is a difference. Sasa hiyo difference iko hapo katikati, hiyo ndio spreads. Sasa tuingie kwa sample. I hope you have understood. If you haven't understood, don't worry, we are going to the charts and you are going to explain it much deeper. Twende kwa the swamp fee. Tutasemaje? It is the amount charged for holding your trades overnight. Hii nayo, it's just like self-explanatory. When you go in the market, if you enter the market, for me, I myself, I am a day trader. And I usually teach you to be a day trader because of what? If you're a day trader, you won't be charged. In ile pesa, so umesikia imesemaje? It is the amount of money charged to hold trades overnight. So therefore utapata like the time umeingia kwa market, so umeingia kwa market, umeanalyze market yako vizuri, blah 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 blah. Umeona hii market by the end of this day itakuwa imefika hii price, si ndio? Hii hapa hii part, si ndio? Utaingia usell ama ubuy na utoke. Sasa ndio shughuli, sio kila kitu, kila mtu akona mashughuli zake. Huwezi kuwa the whole day, the entire day umeshinda tu kwa market. Kuna zile shughuli yani at least hapa na pale uko nazo, hata unapomtu kupata na emergency anaenda. So therefore, if analyze your market, umesema hii trade itaenda mpaka hapa, ndio, na hujaweka stop loss na hujaweka take profit. Sasa hujaweka stop loss na hujaweka take profit, don't worry about those terms, hizo tutasoma baadaye, diko on the next video. Sorry for that, letu pale kuna baridi na niko some free kidogo. Sasa hujaweka take profit na hujaweka stop loss. Market iende ifike pale ulikuwa unataka siku iishe. Sasa siku iishe, ifike usiku, market iende, the same process, pale ulikuwa the same direction you wanted it to go, iende above it. Unaona utakuwa on the profit side, ndio profit yako utakuwa umesecure, profit iko hapo. Lakini hujasecure because you haven't put your order of taking your profit or stopping the losses. Sawa. So therefore utapata like umeenda leo, jana, sasa tuseme umeweka hiyo trade leo, umefungua the market hiyo trade leo, urudi kesho, hata urudi kesho asubuhi 6, do you know you will be charged? Hiyo trade ulipikisha saa 6 usiku na ikaingia the next day. Sasa kuingia the next day itaanza kujicount every minute. Kama ulikuwa in the 5-hour time frame, hiyo 5-hour time frame ikimaliza 5 minutes time frame itakuwa imejicount 0.01, another 5 minutes 0.02, hivyo the same utaenda inalingana na the amount of money ile ulikuwa umepraise. Kama ulikuwa umepraise with a higher lot, tulikuwa tumeongelea about lots. I hope tulikuwa tumeongelea maneno ya lots because let me see nope, we haven't talked about lots, but don't worry, the same thing we are going to do it. But I remember that I said aloud about something like that when we were talking about the short position. Now wakati tumefika hapo, market sitakuwa inajicount the lots limetumia. Kama ulikuwa umetumia big lots itakucharge big amount of money. Small lots itakucharge the same small amount of money. Wakati mpaka sasa utakuja ufunge hiyo trade, hiyo ndio sasa hiyo pesa, unaona ile pesa imekukata, imedidactiwa kwa your profit, hiyo ndio inaitwa swap fee. Ndio market imeenda through the night, imemaliza siku ya kwanza, ikaingia the midnight, ikamaliza hiyo siku, ikafika saa 6 usiku na ikaingia the same the saa 6 hiyo ingine saa 6, kutoka saa 6 kuelekea hiyo mchana kesho. Sasa tuingia leverage, tusema this is the amount or this is the money you borrow from your broker to place a trade. Hiyo tunatumianga 1:500. Okay, here's the thing. Now I want you to understand me this very well and very clearly. Sasa about the leverage, ndio nataka understand very 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 clearly. Sasa ukiingia kwa market, so umeingia kwa market, ushaingia kwa market, hawezi ingia, tulisema lazima ukuwe na broker in between. Wewe huwezi trade direct to the market, you can't. Even that $10, $100 hawezi link in to the market, hawezi. Lazima ukuwe na broker hapa katikati mwenye anakulink kwa market. Sasa huyu broker wako mwenye unatumianga ama mwenye mimi hutumia, na hiyo nitakuwatumia link baadaye to create your account with it. Sasa huyo broker huwa anakupatianga leverage. Tumeona in one trade. Okay, leverage ni ile amount of money anakukopesha. Aje tuseme na anakukopesha. Sasa because imesema aje, this is the money you borrow from your broker to place a trade. Broker unamkopa pesa ndio upeke place a trade. Sasa kwa market, sorry for that, ukiingia kwa market $10 hauwezi trade nayo gold. One gold size around more than 1 million. Sasa so therefore $10 haiwezi, $100 haiwezi trade gold, haiwezi nunua gold, si ndio? Lakini juu sasa umelinkiwa na broker kwa market, sasa broker huwa anakuopenia aje, umekuja with $10, si ndio? That $10 ndio iko hapo, iko secure kwa account yako, kwa your account. Lakini sasa umekopa pesa ingine pia. Umekopa pesa ingine. Sasa ukikopa hiyo pesa ingine, kuna ile like how am I going to put it? Let me just put it. Let me show you. Let's open FBS. Sometimes I have several brokers which I usually use. So therefore, don't worry. I'm going just to link you through all of them. I'm just going to link you through all those. So therefore, don't worry. Why is it not opening? I don't know why. Let me just look for another broker. Which broker am I going to use? Which broker? Let me just use Veritax. I hope it will open. If I don't know if it's the data that I don't have much data, but let's see. Allowed because my Wi-Fi was about to, it was to do what? To be finished at 5 ish Africa. Let's see. For now I don't have any amount of money in my account. I don't have any amount of money. Let's see. Trading account, okay. Demo. Let me just use the demo account to show you practically. Just wait, let us see. Demo account, let's see. I don't know why it's acting like this, but let's see how it should go. Let's see how it should go. It seems like I don't have enough data. I don't have enough what? Don't have enough. I don't know why this. Sorry for that, but give me just for some few minutes. Let me just handle it and see how it will be. Headway is another broker. It's a good broker, by the way. By the way, guys, if you are just seeing this video, have you ever just tried to look for a broker? Can you just refer me to your brokers? Let me just know that the best broker, you see that you usually believe that these are the best brokers. If you want to trade gold, if you want to trade Forex, these are the best brokers. Can you just link me to the brokers so that I can know what to do? I'm just looking for the best brokers. Very soon I'm just trying to open a competition or a challenge whereby we want to be like, we want to reach how many dollars. Let's start with $50. I deposit for you like $20. The competition, it's only like you reach that $50. If you reach $50 and above, it's yours. If you grow your account, well and good. I won't recommend, or I won't fund you again. So therefore, help me to know the best broker, the best who have the best spreads, who have the best leverage, and such things. I know you have some brokers. I know you usually deals with trading. I know some things you can help me with. Therefore, help me, guys. As I was telling you, tulikuwa tunaongelea maneno ya leverage swaps, sofin, all those other kinds of things. Here's my account. Don't be surprised. Okay, I usually like to challenge myself. I usually try to see my level of capacity of trading I can be. So, therefore, this is my account. For the past like 30 days, I've tried to create or to make around $47, $47.88. So, and if you can see, I usually tells you, if there must be some losses, there must be some losses, but actually tells you try to avoid some losses. Even if it's a must to lose, don't lose much. Lose 3, get 10. Sasa look at my charts over here. Wins are more than losses. Sasa where were we? We were on the bid. The bid. Now let's just be on a Euro USD. On a Euro USD, allow me just to like delete everything, because for now I'm not just like remove all drawings so that the chart. And I usually tells you, when you are analyzing your market, make sure that your chart is always green. Just make sure that when you want to trade, when you want to trade, make sure your chart is always green. Do your analysis on your trading view. Come to your MT5 or your broker, press the order, set your stop loss, set your take profit, final. No more indicators in your trading view, no more indicators in your broker, or no more indicators on your MetaTrader 5, MT5, because you will find some people like they are in their MetaTrader 5, but the MT5, but it's like they are in trading view. They have put in their trading view, they have put more than 5 indicators. Now you are wondering, are you analyzing the market or are you analyzing the indicators? Because all over the screen, all over your phone, indicators in this corner, indicators in this corner, up indicators, down indicators, in the middle indicators. Now please guys, avoid those mistakes, because that mistake will, those silly mistake or small mistake are the ones which will make you lose your money. Because now let me just give you an example. Let's take this one. Let's add this one. Add another 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 one. And another one. And another one. Yes, your market is like that, right? Now tell me, how are you going to read this market? How are you going to analyze this market? Like, just like use your market like this. How are you going to analyze your market like this one? How are you going to analyze this market? You usually test people like they are complicating some things, but they are not complicating some things. You are the one who usually complicate things over here. How are you going to analyze such a market? Tell me, how are you going to analyze such a market? How are you going to analyze such a market? Tell me. You see, now, such silly mistake like this, don't even try. I just advise you, avoid indicators. Please avoid indicators. If you have the knowledge to use the indicators, use 1 indicator or 2 indicators. Final. No more indicators. Just do your setup, analyze your market, and you'll be good to go. So, avoid all that. Now, even I myself, I have like spent a long time since 2024, and I can't just even understand such a market. I can't understand such a market. I don't understand such a market. So therefore, avoid indicators, tafadhali. Sasa, let's be like, okay, it's a good thing. Okay, where are we? We were on bids and ask. So therefore, the bid and the ask, we are going to, I've told you that the bid, this is the amount of money you are going to lose, you are willing to risk. So let's say I have like buy over there, right? I have bought. Let's go on where? Let's go on our position. If you look on our position, it's like that, right? Now, the amount of money that I'm willing to lose, or I'm willing to to risk, let me just take another one over here. Let's say like where the long position over here. Let's place our long position here. That there. Let's take profit up to here. Don't just aim higher, just break that over there, and then the stop loss up to here. Now the what? The bid you are going to you are willing to risk is this one over here. Sorry, just avoid that one. I'm looking for what? Let me just use this one. Let me see if it, yes, okay. Do you see this red part over here? The red part over here. This the red part over here. That's the bid or the bid or the ask that I'm willing to lose. I'm willing to risk the amount of money that I'm willing. So this red part. If the market goes into this direction, came up to here, right? Came up to here, and we even just like, let me just put the stop loss. Let me put my stop loss where my stop loss. My stop loss up to there, and then my TP. Let me just put it. We'll just be with you guys over here. We'll just be here. We'll just be here to see if the market will be executed well. I just put it over there. Okay, we will see. Now let me just analyze it, tell you what I am willing to lose and what I am willing to. Have you seen now the stop loss here? The stop loss, if you can see the stop loss, the price that I am willing to lose, let's say the price, or let's say the pips I'm willing to lose, it's 60 pips. If it's the price I'm willing to lose around like 60 pips, around the profit or negative 0.60, even it is not worthy $1. So that is the bid that I'm going, or the amount of money that I'm willing to lose or to risk. If I'm going to win, the market goes in my direction, I'm going to take how many pips? I'm willing to get 120 pips. Out of 120 pips, I'm going to be on a profit on a what? $1. $1.20 profit. So that is the thing. Nothing more, nothing much. That's the thing. So let's say the swap fee. I don't know if I have ever make a trade to last more than what? More than a day. I don't have. Let me just see. Let me see if I have in the last past 6 months, if I have let's say this one, the swamp fee. I don't have swamp fee. I don't have any swamp fee. As I have told you, I usually do what? Avoid swamps. Even if it's a demo account, I usually avoid swamps because I know the swamp fee, it will cost you. Let's say all the time. Until all the time, the same thing. I don't have any swamp fee. But the swamp fee, I hope you understand. Ukiilalisha trade yako during overnight, lazima utalipa. Iko pesa lazima utakatwa. Sawa. Even if you are in a loss, lazima iko pesa utakatwa. Sawa. So therefore niambie, umeanalyze your market, hoja price any take profit, hoja price any stop loss. Sawa. Hoja price any take profit ama stop loss. Ukiangalia the market inaendelea tu vizuri, niko on profit bado tu inaendelea. So therefore trade smart, trade inaendelea tu vizuri. Sawa, na nimeingia tu saizi, nimeona tu nimespot hiyo part, nimeiona tu imeingia tu vizuri. My take profits that, let me see if I am going to like, they are going to give me another take profit to analyze it. I can just buy and just take it above it, but not for now. So therefore nimekuambia sasa, niambie uko kwa market, ndio kwa market umeruse, hujeka take profit au hujeka stop loss. Market on your way, imeshafika pale ulikuwa unataka profit, ulikuwa una target like $5, imeshafika $5 and you had an account of what, let's say $20. Ishafika $25 ama ishaenda up to $30. Sasa ishaenda up to $30 and you know one thing, the market never sleeps. Market ishafika pale ulikuwa unataka ifike, ishafika 25, ishafika hiyo $5, ishafika $25, si ndio? Ikapanda ikakuongezea another $5, ishafika $30, si ndio? But because like hukuwa umeweka stop loss na huko umeweka take profit, market ikarudi ikaliverse, ikaenda vile inafanana. Market huwa inaenda ina graph way, inaendanga ina straight line, ishaenda ishachukua the liquidity zone pale ilikuwa, ishachukua all those orders, isharudi ni ikateremka pale tu ulikuwa umeachia tu, ikateremka. If you see guys over here, angalia hiyo chart, angalia tu hiyo chart vile inaenda tu vizuri tu as expected, as I was expecting. Market tu inaenda tu vizuri. If it was a live trade, if it was an a live section, ningekuwa on profit. How much profit? Ningekuwa una profit around 0.567 inaelekea $1. Sawa? Even if it's a small amount of money, I usually tell you, small by small bricks today, small brick tomorrow, small brick, it will build a big mansion in the future. Okay, ishaenda market, ishaenda pale ilikuwa inataka na ikarudi. Sawa, ikafika kwa pale trades zako zilikuwa umeshachukulia trades zako, ishafika kwa stop loss, huko umeweka stop loss, ikateremka na kuteremka na inateremka bado, ikupige or your $30 ishakupiga, usha bro account, ndio usha bro account. Ukirudi utapata hata huko unafaa kubro hiyo account, ni vile tu ushalalisha ile trade, ishalala. So therefore the swamp fee ishachukua almost $1 ama $2. Sasa kama ungekuwa umeweka stop loss, hii $2 ungekuwa usha secure, si ndio? Ungekuwa usha secure, umeweka secure security yako, usha protect your capital. So usha protect your capital, and I usually tell people that always protect your capital. Your capital is like your knight. When you are playing the chess, the knight or the priest, the knight, and the what, and the queen. I don't know much about the chess, but I know those three people are the most important in the chess. So therefore wote kama ungekuwa ushawa protect hawa na into wengine ama soja sawa wengine, si wana protect hawa tatu. So therefore kama ungekuwa usha protect your capital, ingepotea. Ungekuwa umesha protect those $2, ungeingia bado tu kwa market kesho na hiyo $2 uendelee ku trade. But sasa hiyo $2 ishachukuliwa na swamp fee. The stop loss huko umeweka ishafika kwa trade ilikuwa imechukuliwa, si ndio? Ishachukuliwa, si ndio? Market ishaanza kwenda on our reversal. Don't worry, this is a demo account, but still the market itapanda tu juu. Don't worry, market tu itapanda. Have patience. So therefore swamp fee imekukula, trades zimekukula. So therefore swamp fee inakuanga tu hivyo. Always secure your profit. Sasa always secure your profit. Twende kwa nini? Kwa spreads, ndio? The spreads tumesema the difference that you bought, the buying price and the selling price. Let me just I don't know if it will like, yes, over here. If you can see there is a red, let me just put a line over here. Let me just use a trend line over there. If you can look over here, there's a the green line over, it's above, and the red candlestick, the red line on the bottom. The green one, it's a buy. The red one, it's a sell. So therefore, the difference, this gap in between over here, that is the spreads. And if you can look over here, let me just like, I don't know how it will allow me, but if you can look down over here, if you can look over here, you have the sells and you have the buy. You each opposite have its own price. If you can see the sales price, it's 1.48, and the Bonini other numbers. The buying price, it is 1.483332. It's like this is it's around, the gap in between is around, like, let's say 5 points, 5 to 10 points. The difference, that is the swap fee. Oh, the spreads, sorry for that. The difference in between those two numbers, that is the swamp. What am I saying? I think I'm tired. Let me just repeat it again. Sorry for that. The difference in between the buying price and the selling price, because it cannot be the same. The difference it will never be the same. You can't tell me that if you buy a phone today, you have bought a phone worth 10 Kenyan shilling, 10k, 10,000 Kenyan shilling, and when you want to sell it, you will sell it like, or the same price. You can't. Nobody will take it on the same price. Nobody, right? Nobody. But let's say a good example with what? With the rand, a piece of rand. If you buy a rand today, you buy around 3.5 million today, and you wait around like 5 years to come, it will be appreciated. The land will appreciate, and you want to sell it within the next 5 years to come. Now, the rand, it will be like this. The amount of money, 3.5 that you bought it, it will appreciate with another 5 million above. All it will bring like another 5,000, 500,000. So therefore, you can sell it for 4 million or 4.5. Have you understood the difference? What I'm trying to say over here, the difference between the buying price and the selling price, that is the spread, the leverage. Now, the leverage. Let's see. How am I going to explain the leverage to you now? Let's see. I don't know if there is any, about over here, the funding part. The margin is around. I don't know why, but oh, I know. Where is it? It's here. Even if you copy, this is not a live account, so therefore you cannot. If you look over here, the leverage here, it's the leverage that I'm telling you. There's different types of leverage. But the leverage, I have said, this is the amount of money the broker usually lends you, ama anakukopesha ndio uweze kutrade. My leverage, it's 1 is equals to 500, the best leverage. But there is a higher 1 is equal to 1,000. Itakuwa inasemaje? Trade moja unafungulia na 500, not 500 in cash, in Kenyan shilling, 500 in what? US dollars. Now, if I change this one, I'll be like saying, when I open one trade, I'm trading with it with $1, $1,000. That's how. I hope you understand it. I don't know how can I explain it so that you can understand. Let me see. Okay, I have got another one. I have got another explanation here. When you place your trade, I've said that you can never trade direct to the market. the broker will help you to trade in the market. Hii $10 yako hauwezi kuja hapa. Let me just confirm that. Go back to my position. The market's what? Okay. I was like being shocked. Am I going to lose? But let's see. Let's go back to the position. Let's take like the commodities, the metals, the gold. Here we are. The one gold right now, if you want to open one trade, it's around 8.51 trade. Sasa 8.51. The gold has been dropping, massively dropping, like several. For the past like 1 week, gold has been just dropping. I don't know why, but the gold has been just dropping. It's okay. Let's see how the market it will take us, where the market it will take us in the future. That is it. But I can just buy for now, but it's not for now. Let me just wait. 1.58. That's around how much? Around 800. Around 800. So now here's the best thing about the leverage. Your 800, yes, it will open the one trade, but if you lose, you will lose it once. But the broker has make it simple for you to deposit 1,000 for now. 1,000. You will come, open a trade. Yes, it cost you. Opening one trade in gold, it will cost you a 3/4 of 1,000, right? It will cost you that amount of money, a 3/4 of 1,000. But the broker has helped you make the work easier. When you place a trade, the 3/4 will be like your secured profit. Now you will use it. You will use this quarter amount of money, this the quarter, to trade. So I hope you have understood that. If you haven't understood, DM me. I'll just going to explain it more and more and more. My time has gone. See you on the next video when we are going to talk about time frame, candlestick, reward ratio, take profit, stop loss, and risk management. See you tomorrow. See you on the next video.